that we have to balance our mind in a proper way to reach any type of destination. For that, we have to motivate ourselves through confidence, through self-esteem. These are the two keys where we can improve ourselves in a better way. Yesterday we have seen three keys for our success. At the same time, this is also most important for all of us to improve ourselves. So as we know very well, mind's job is to give and take, either to repulsion or attraction. So we have to keep our mind in a proper way so that we can improve ourselves with balance, with confidence. So for these things, we are having 7 techniques here. What are all those 7 techniques means? Be cooperative. All are formed with C only. Be cooperative and be childlike mentality and be that challenging attitude and be that always you should have courageous willpower and better to be in challenging attitude and beautiful car driver and affirmations. At last you can have this careless emperor position. So what is this particular cooperation? How to improve ourselves through cooperation? If we are cooperating with everybody, if we are cooperating with our situations, definitely we can reach to that particular level of अचीविंग एवरीथिंग. सो जो झुकता है वही जिसमें जान है, जो झुकता है जिसमें जान है, अकड़ना मुर्दों का पहचान है. सो ये हम याद रखने से बेंडिंग इज द फीचर ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, लेकिन स्टैंड स्टिल इज द फीचर ऑफ dead corp only. If we are understanding this, definitely we will be flexible enough to others, to everybody. When a person is flexible to people, when a person is very, very cooperative with others, definitely he will be learning so many things, because a cooperative person is of a positive mentality. With positive mentality, what will happen? He will be conversing with everybody with the positivity only. At that time, he will be learning many more things with conversing with others also. In these techniques only we can achieve success. So wherever you go, whether it is family, आप फैमिली में रह रहे हो या तो कंपनी में रह रहे हो या हॉस्पिटल में जा रही हो या किसी भी जगह आप जा रही हो, आपका ये कोऑपरेशन बहुत मकुट जैसा आपको काम करेगा. इसीलिए हमेशा आप कोऑपरेशन से काम करने के समय आपके अंदर इनबिल्ट टॉलरेंस डेवलप होगा. वो टॉलरेंस आपका संघर्ष से बचाएगा, आपको सिचुएशन को कैसे पार करना ये सिखाएगा. जब ये सभी आदत आप improve करोगे, definitely you can achieve success everywhere, you can say. So we should understand whatever role we are doing, it is not at all permanent, because even a person is getting a high profile job, it is also not a permanent na. Then if we are understanding the bitter truth, वो सच कड़वा सच हमको समझ में आने से हम कहीं भी गिरेंगे नहीं है. जो गिरते हैं वो हमेशा गिरने वाला नहीं है. इसीलिए The person who is raising from wherever he fall down, he alone can achieve success also. For this, we have to cooperate the other person who is in need. Then only we can improve ourselves. So till now, even yesterday we have discussed about Mahabharata. There also it is said, no role is permanent. When no role is permanent, why should we think about whatever I thought that should happen करके वो अकड़ में बिल्कुल नहीं रहना. जहां आप मोल्ड करोगे वहां आपको सक्सेस जरूर मिल जाएंगे. सो इवन सुनामी के समय में भी जो ट्रीज सभी झुके वो ट्रीज सभी बचे. जो अकड़ कर, जैसे कुछ बबुल का पेड़ हो या तो जैसा डिफरेंट पेड़ होते हैं, वो सभी अकड़ कर रहते हैं, वो सभी पूरा सर्वनाश होते हैं. इसीलिए कंजर्वेटिव आउटलुक छोड़कर हमेशा हम कोऑपरेटिव आउटलुक में जाने से डेफिनेटली हमको सक्सेस पाएंगे. एट द सेम टाइम चाइल्ड लाइक मेंटालिटी वी शुड डेवलप. चाइल्ड लाइक मेंटालिटी मीन्स चाइल्ड इज यव एनर्जेटिक, हमेशा फुर्तीले रहते हैं. वो कभी भी मायूस नहीं रहते. जो आप जितना भी डांटने के बावजूद वो क्या करेगा, फिर तुरंत आपके पास आकर एक स्माइल पास करेगा. जैसा रोज खिले हुए गुलाब कैसे होते हैं, वैसे चाइल्ड को देखने से किसी भी इंसान वो हमेशा हक करने के लिए उसको मन करता है. क्यों? बिकॉज चाइल्ड इज फुल ऑफ cheerfulness, child is full of positivity, child is full of energy. इसीलिए हमेशा साइकोलॉजिस्ट बोलते हैं चाइल्ड हमेशा 400 बार एक दिन में हंसते हैं. हम भी वैसे चाइल्ड जैसे बनने से डेफिनेटली वी कैन अचीव व्हाट एवर वी डिस्टाइन फॉर. इसीलिए हम क्या करना है, हमेशा स्माइल, कभी भी हमारा उदास चेहरा नहीं होना चाहिए, हमेशा खिले हुए होना चाहिए. खिले हुए चेहरा कॉन्फिडेंस का एम्बॉडीमेंट है करके हम समझने से डेफिनेटली वी कैन गेट एनीथिंग. Here we have to understand, when one employee was asked, just smile while you are doing the work. हमेशा काम करने के समय हंसते हंसते काम करो, आप लाइट फील करोगे करके बोलने से उन्होंने जवाब क्या दिया, आप मुझे सैलरी इंक्रीज करो तब मैं भी हंसूंगा, मैं भी फुर्तीले से काम करूंगा करके बोलने से उनको क्या जवाब मिला पता है आपको? उनको बताया, अगर आप स्माइल करोगे, आप लाइट फील करोगे, अगर आप लाइट फील करोगे आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप कूल मेंटालिटी होंगे. एट द सेम टाइम आप कूल मेंटालिटी होने से प्रॉपर डिसीजंस लेंगे, प्रॉपर डिसीजंस लेकर अच्छी तरह से स्पॉन्टेनियसली काम करने के वक्त आपका काम परफेक्टली एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरीली बेस्ट होंगे. इसीलिए हमेशा आप क्या करना है, आप करने के समय, आप काम करने के समय लाइटली स्टे काम एंड डू वर्क करके बोलने के समय वो कुछ नहीं बोल पाया, दंग रह गया. सो हमेशा हमेशा हम लाइट रहने से हम फायदामंद होंगे, हम कूल रहने से हम फायदामंद होंगे, नहीं होने से हम फायदा नहीं यूज कर पाएंगे. नेक्स्ट थिंग, चैलेंजिंग एटीट्यूड. हमेशा चैलेंजिंग एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए. टेक एवरीथिंग लाइटली. स्माइल विल रॉब योर ग्लूम. आपका दुख वो दुख पूरा चुराने वाला क्या है? एक छोटा सा जरा सा मुस्कान। आपका मुस्कान आपका अंदर का मायूस को चुरा लेगा। इसीलिए हमेशा हम स्माइल करना है। There is no fun if you just win and you are smiling. Rather, it is undoubtedly there is a charm when you are losing and you are smiling at your great attempts too. हम जीत कर हंसना बड़ी बात नहीं है। जब हम फेल्यूर होने के समय भी हिम्मत से हम काम लेकर थोड़ा हंस कर बात करने से, हंस कर सिचुएशन को एक्सेप्ट कर आगे क्या होना है, आगे में क्या इम्प्रूव करना है, अगर ये आप सोच रखे, डेफिनेटली यू कैन रॉक। That's why हमेशा सभी सिचुएशंस को एक्सेप्ट कर कोऑपरेटिवली, जैसे वाटर जोन से बर्तन में रखोगे उसका शेप में वो भी फॉर्म अपने आप चेंज हो जाएंगे। और दूसरा खासियत वाटर का क्या है? जितना भी गर्मा गर्म वाटर ले लो, वो एक बर्तन में डालने से अपने टेम्परेचर को वापस आ जाएंगे। वैसे हम क्यों नहीं ट्राई कर सकते? क्योंकि हम कहीं भी गुस्सा निकालने के समय वो ही गुस्सा बार बार याद कर या तो पास्ट में या तो फ्यूचर में हम रहने के वक्त हमको और प्रॉब्लम और मुसीबत हम इन्वाइट करते रहते हैं। इसीलिए हमको again and again problem, not only for us, for our work, but it will affect us throughout the life. For this only we should have equilibrium, equipoise, equanimous way of thinking. Then only we can have that type of parallel way of thinking, parallel way of to achieve success. And next thing what we have to understand, fourth C is courageous willpower. What is the meaning of courageous willpower? Courage means साहस होना है। साहस किस बात की साहस होना चाहिए? जोन से भी होने से हम तैयार है करके आप सोचने से डेफिनेटली यू कैन अचीव सक्सेस। उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? जरा हम अरुणिमा सिन्हा को देखने से, वो अरुणिमा सिन्हा को 2 पैर नहीं था, फिर भी वो 2 पैर से माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ा है। कैसे चढ़ा है बेटा? कुछ आइडिया है? कुछ आइडिया है? अरुणिमा सिन्हा 2 पैर से चढ़ा है।
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, I will tell you. Arunima Sinha, actually she climbed the Everest, she climbed there with only one biological leg, and other leg is called as challenging willpower, courageous willpower. That is what is required wherever we are going. That confidence, that courage, that willpower will definitely reach you to the greatest extent of success, no doubt in it. Next thing what we have to understand is you must be, every one of us must be capable car driver. What is the meaning of capable car driver? Means we have to understand, if Mercedes car is there, that Mercedes car is given to an ignorant car driver, it is waste. And the worth of that car also will perish. A capable car driver, even with his age-old Maruti 800, can reach the destination very, very smoothly. So, the car is not the thing. What is important thing? That particular driving. Here what we have to understand, this body is vehicle. We being souls, we have to play roles, and we are following, and we have to follow detached attachment. But often we are offended, disappointed, suppressed, irritated, or depressed. When we are having these weaknesses within us, how can we improve ourselves? How can we take any kind of work? In every work, wherever you are going, there will be obstacles, there will be hindrances, there will be 100,000 problems. But you should develop these kind of techniques to improve yourself. Set your bio clock. When you are setting your bio clock, that means 10 माने बस, 4 माने तैयार. हमेशा आप इस बायो क्लॉक को इस हिसाब से आप तैयार करने से definitely you can achieve success through practice, through dedication, through perseverance continuously. When you are working over whatever you are trained at, then perfectness will always be there, and with perfectness the confidence, power will be there. You can challenge, you can accept any situation as they are, and you can do anything. So for this, अभी आप बोला है 4 बजे को उठो, 10 बजे को सो जाओ, लेकिन हमारा कुछ प्रोग्राम्स आता है नाइट में, वो 11 बजे को 12 बजे को आता है करके बोल सकते हो. लेकिन हमेशा हम 9:30 को सोने से और बेटर है ज्यादा से ज्यादा 10 माने बस. 4 को तैयार क्यों करना है? 4 को उठकर क्या करना है? क्या करना है माने सेल्फ अफर्मेशन. 6th C is constructive affirmations. Even medical science says all the diseases are psychosomatic only. When diseases are psychosomatic, what will happen? Whatever we are thinking, it will radiate on your physique. Once a test has been done, that psychological treatment was given to people who are having certain diseases. They told to close the eyes, and they gave pillow to everybody, and they said if you are pressing this pillow, you will be relieved from all diseases. They were given no medicine at all, beta. They were given only pillows. Then they started just that hugging that pillows. They started just squeezing that pillows. They are doing with that only, having that confidence, having that belief that they will be cured. Medicines were given to other group. They were said nothing. They, or the people who were given medicine, they died. Whereas the people who were given pillows, they survived. How it is possible? Psychologically, they felt doctor is best and his treatment is great and we will be cured. ऐसे वो लोग सोचने के वक्त वो लोग को पूरे के पूरे कुछ भी बेडर से वो लोग उस डिसीज को भी पार कर लिया. आप सभी को जानकारी होगा एमिटो का वाटर थेरेपी. एमिटो Japan's greatest hydrological scientist, he experimented this particular thing in such a way that if we are thinking negative way, it will affect them very, very seriously, and the crystals forms in a zigzag way. So what happened? He thought of having the positive vibrations by giving that particular glass of water with a positivity. Then what happened? It formed beautiful crystal layers. You can see those videos also. When you are thinking in this way, you won't have any type of fear, any type of disagreement with anybody. When you are with this mentality, wherever you are going, you can deal any particular person with a smiling face. Then you can have that much willpower to face a fighting cock of officer or the people who are for your competition. Wherever you are going, competition will be there. Wherever you are going, the entry mates may expect the same treatment with each other. But unfortunately, it cannot be equal, because in every company there will be competition. In that competition, whoever win over, they will do the work with dedication. In this way only, not only company, wherever you are going, they will be having different modes of this testing, competitions like this. So when one interview person, that is when a person went to interview, he just saw the place was filled with many candidates and all the fans were on. Getting irritated with that, he went and switched off all the fans. Wherever people were there, he sat down there with two or few fans which are required. At the same time, when he entered into the cabin of another place, there also he saw when in the garden itself water was flowing away. At that time, he went and closed that tap also. And when there is one thing, that is, after interview, the people were not at all coming back in this side. They were going from the other direction. That's why people were totally stumble block with themselves, because they could not understand what to do, because they want to get some kind of information from those who had attended that interview. When such things were there, this particular person's time came when he went inside. That doormat was kept in wrong format. Then he set properly and he went inside. So in that way, when he sat inside that particular cabin in the chair, immediately that people, HRs said, you were selected. Then he puzzled, he amazed with that particular decision of those people. I haven't done anything like that, he said. Then they said, we were monitoring you. The other persons who came here, they were ignorant and they were not at all bothered about the water or fans or this doormat, all these things. We were observing you टोटली आपको हमेशा हम देखते रह रहे हैं, इसीलिए आपको इतना, आप जॉब में ज्वाइन करने के पहले ही आप इतना आपका डेडिकेशन एंड बिलोंगिंगनेस आप दिखाया है, इसीलिए आप सेलेक्टेड है करके बोलने के वक्त वो उसको उसका पापा याद आया। ये सभी करने के लिए उसका पापा घर में ट्रेनिंग दिया था। हमेशा उसको पापा को बोलते थे ये क्या है, हमेशा ये करो वो करो करके बोलते रहते हैं करके सोचकर, फिर ये सभी ट्रेनिंग के वजह से ही उसको जॉब मिला। मैंने उसको बहुत खुश हुआ। सो कभी भी कुछ भी सॉरी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स मैनेज करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? प्रॉपर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग, एंड ऑल दीज C's will be applicable for you to manage any stressful situations. For this, continuously you have to work hard. Continuously you have to see the situations, because company or anywhere, wherever you are going, they won't give the money as it is. There will be competitions, there will be ups and downs. A small mistake of you can reach you down. A small dedication of you can reach you to the greatest extent. So your aim, your object, your way of living should be, your way of performance, it should be for the benefit of wherever you are working. Immaterial, non-cooperative people will be there. Immaterial, many types of conflicts will come. So in spite of that, you have to attend that particular work with dedication. When the dedication is there, success will follow. So in this way, you have to relate everything. Then only you can achieve success. When you are doing all these practices, you will automatically will become carefree emperor. मुकुट नहीं धारण किया फिर भी आप शहजादे हो। ये हम फॉलो करने से सक्सेस हमको तुरंत आ जाएंगे। इसीलिए ये सभी प्रैक्टिस कर कर जाने से कहीं भी आप ही जीतोगे, उसमें कोई शक नहीं। यू विल इम्प्रूव इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स वेयर एवर यू आर गोइंग।